Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last August 9, 2020, I placed an order at Tsumparadise's Shopee, and my orders arrived on August 15, 2020. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my Tsumparadise haul. It was securely and nicely packaged. Now let's see the products one by one. We have a Real Akuma water decal and it's 15 pesos. Next is a Chippendale water decal and it's 15 pesos. Then we have a Pikachu water decal and it's 20 pesos. Then we have a Marie water decal and it's 30 pesos. Next is a Little Twin Star water decal and it's 45 pesos. Then we have a Snoopy nail art sticker and it's 38 pesos. Next is a Lion Friends nail sticker and it's 38 pesos. Then we have a Totoro nail sticker and it's 38 pesos. Then we have these Little Twin Star water decal and it's 80 pesos. Next is a Daisy Duck Miniso nail polish, and it's 120 pesos. Then a Minnie Mouse Miniso nail polish, and it's 120 pesos. And lastly, a Pochaco ID holder and it's 140 pesos. Which water decal or nail art sticker should I use on my nails first? Any suggestions? The link for the Tsumparadise's Shopee is available on the description box below. Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!